everyone, welcome to Grace and Glam, and today I am going to do something unusual. Finally, I'm doing what's in my bag. As you can see, it's a very fat bag, and since I carry the world in my bag, I'm one of those people who carries everything in the bag. So anything and everything under the sun, possibly, uh, yeah, that's how I function. And of course, this bag is making me nostalgic, especially doing such a segment, what's in my bag during this quarantine period. It's making me nostalgic because I do not have a single place to go to. I am house arrested for the past 45 days. Can you beat it? 45 days like I am inside my house, and yes, waiting for the lockdown to get over. And so without wasting much time, let me show you what's there in my bag. So first I'll show you this the back chain, what's there. Okay, and one more thing, it's been a long time that I have handled my bag. Okay, so I have few pens over here. Yeah, I need pens. I have my lip balm. Okay, then okay, yeah, I have a shiny razor because you see that I have a greasy skin, oily skin, so it helps me remove the shine. Then yeah, if I open my bag, the very first thing, I always carry a journal with me, so I write my agenda. Then I have a book. I carry any slim book, so I keep reading while commuting. Then I have my wallet. Okay, there's nothing in my wallet. Okay, so you can see there's no money, so I am running cashless for the past, it's been over a month I'm running cashless. Then I have my water bottle. Then okay, so it's a makeup pouch, so basic essentials, let's not get into this. Then I have a face mist. Then I have few hair accessories. I have a scrunchie. Yeah, and I also carry a clutcher which I keep attached to this bag every time you see. Okay, now let's explore some other pockets. Yes, I have my phone. Then I have my earphones which are secured here. Okay, then I have my hairbrush. Okay, one more. Then I have a hand cream. Okay, a sanitizer. Yes, it's almost over, not completely, so I need to buy a new one. Then I have a power bank. Then yeah, I carry mini perfumes. This one. Yeah. Even I didn't know, like going through your bag could be therapeutic at this point of time. Yeah, makes me feel good. So I have my glasses. Okay, so this is anti-glare glasses. So, and then I have my sunglasses. I have a compact. Okay, then yes, be safe, very important. Then in the next thing, okay, I have a mint, and I have tissues. I have some more tissues, loose tissues, and that's it. Yes, in this small pouch I see couple of things. I'm addicted to this inhaler. Then I also carry Band-Aid. Then Hajmola, Okay, I didn't know it was there. Okay, it's good. And Hanuman Chalisa. And let me see if I have anything else. Okay, yes, here uh, a bunch of safety pins, and let's see, and finally some wet wipes. Okay, so that's it. So finally I must say that it was a good feeling going through your bag. It felt like as if I was doing some kind of window shopping or something, because of course shopping seems to be a distant dream now. So it was nice going through my stuff. And yes, I need to organize my bag. I need to organize couple of things, and it was a good feeling. Thank you very much. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And have you counted how many items I have finally in my bag? Have you actually counted? If not, like, you can rewind this and you can watch it again. So thank you very much. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do not forget to like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So it was wonderful talking to you. It was wonderful exploring my bag. So so thank you very much. You have a great day. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Stay happy and stay exploring.